making here, Maya?
A fire. I'm making a fire.
Show the people what you're doing. Where's that gonna go?
You have to rub it very, very fast, and then there will be some sparks. And then we'll have fire.
And how's this thing fitting into our structure?
Once it burns down.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's see. It fits like this. There you go.
Ah, it's a corner holder piece.
Yes, and then it'll support the roof, because this is gonna go up there.
Up there. Right up there, yes. Awesome.
And then it'll be super stable. I think I'm done here. Okay, that looks fine.
Yeah, so just put this in the middle because it's gonna look good and it's gonna support nice. So we're following this one. So guide hole. Good.
Good. Here we go.
Ready, steady, go.
Yes. Okay.
Cool. Yeah, good.
Yes, good.
Ta-da! It works.
Sure is.
See that there?
Okay, there we go.
See? That's
now
it.
we can see. Because this here,
Yeah. And then
we
these,
can't get the wood behind that piece there.
these pieces on the side here.
There's like a little gap back there.
Yeah. And then this here to stabilize it.
At the end. And that's behind the shutter. The shutter will come over here. And then we can still close it. So that works. And then up, down, and across, and there it is. And then it goes along here, zoom, 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 by the door, and then behind the other shutter, and up until the next metal bit, and there it is. And then at the end to stabilize another little piece. And again, we can close the shutter like that. And it's closed. And open. And yeah, stable. So there it is, all along the bottom underneath the doors.
check. So this thing is finally up. We've got a few more things to contend with, like it's not flush against the wall. See there? So we're gonna put support in here and it's gonna come down to the ground, and then the roof is gonna go on top there somehow. Okay. Oh my god, what if this whole thing just sprinkles? We are deconstructing the structure.
Cool.
What we need to do
Okay.
oh shit. Okay.
No, I can't. The greenhouse is in the way.
Oh shit. That is in the way. Oh shit. The greenhouse is in the way. Oh shit. Hang on, I'm coming down.
What did you get?
This little thing. That one.
Pilot hole?
That one.
It's all good.
Yeah. Hey, there's some bonuses having a jacket on when you work.
Yeah, you got so many pockets.
Yeah. Great. Here we go. It worked.
Yay.
Well done. Now our door should fit.
No, I'm trying to film this cat.
You're cutting towards you.
Hey, kitty cat.
Don't move your foot.
Okay.